Hi everyone, this is Kiva Vlog, si Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad, gawa natin reaction video, ang Jillman compilation, pero this one is the latest updates. Hindi ko pa ito napanood kahapon eh. So basically, eto na yung sinasabi ko na magde-debut na nga. Ang ibig sabihin ng debut, kung kayo mga casual viewers, hindi kayo sanay sa mga, what do you call this, sa mga K-pop. Actually, late ko na din naman nalaman yan. I-share ko lang sa inyo. Yung debut is something like unang sabak mo na magre-release ka ng kanta, yun lang. So without further ado, let's start this. Deserve din naman talaga kasi ni Jillian na what you call this, na release ng kanta kasi maganda din naman talaga ang boses niya.
Meron ka ba parang ma-identify sa boses mo na gusto mo ma-workout? Any vocal goals?
Pag kinakabahan ako, nagiging super shaky yung boses ko. Then,
Okay.
madali ako mapaos. Like, onting pagod.
Like how many songs before ka mapaos? Or baka one song ma-feel mo na parang may paos ka? May ganun ba?
May ganun
instances?
sometimes.
Okay.
Parang mali yung paggamit ko sa kanya.
Nafe-feel mo na may something na hindi okay.
Tapos, when dancing naman and singing,
Right.
okay naman yung breathing.
Okay.
Pero gusto ko ma-improve pa po siya.
Good.
Vocalization.
Good. Okay, so Jillian, you're a soprano. No, that's your vocal classification.
Ay, soprano siya?
Gusto ko ba laman yun?
Now you know.
Wow.
Okay, you're a soprano. Now imagine
Mataas.
owning a Bugatti, but you don't know how to drive it.
Mataas yung boses
sayang,
niya.
diba? Sayang all the power, all the benefits of it, you know, the experience of owning and driving a Bugatti. You're not able to enjoy it because hindi mo siya alam paano paganahin or hindi ka makapag-drive ng mabilis because natatakot ka or whatnot, no? Now, you have it in you. You have that potential to be in control of your voice.
soprano siya.
Now, vocal intelligence, in a nutshell, will give you a clear picture and understanding about how your instrument works. Para kahit hindi mo siya nahawakan, hindi mo siya nakakita, pero in your mind, you would understand how it works. Because my principle, Jillian, is if you have little to no knowledge about something, you cannot control. And at the same time, if you are very knowledgeable about something, hey, you can control it. As entertainers, we serve the audience. We serve the people with the talents that we have. It's not about
True.
us, right? It's about them. We want them to be entertained. Pag kumakanta tayo, gusto nating maranasan nila yung emotions na meron yung kanta. It's really about that, di ba? Then in effect, di ba, yan, gusto nila. That's where we get our fulfillment as artists. It just so happened that we get paid, right, to do that, to entertain people. Pero we are in the business of serving people. When you achieve vocal freedom, you also achieve these couple of things, okay? You increase your vocal health, and you decrease significantly as well your vocal anxiety.
That's what I need.
Yeah. So vocal health, ang principle ko kasi, Jillian, is the healthier you sing, the better you sound. Let me say it again. The healthier you sing, the better you sound. So if you want to sound better as a singer, try to do something healthy with your voice. As a natural byproduct of that, you're going to sound better. And later on, you'll realize, ay, oo nga, tama. No? When you sing healthily, you're going to sound better. Now you sound so good already, when I heard you earlier. And when you incorporate something healthy, hey, you're going to sound even way, way better.
Babe! Come here. Come dito. Oh, babe. Hindi pa rin ako
Ano
makapaniwala.
to si Jillian pala to eh. Tingnan nga natin to. Si Yasser Mata.
Your senses.
Are you sure na walang makakasunod sa atin dito?
Babe naman. Wala. Part owner ako ng hotel na to. Nausap ko na lahat ng staff at ang tao nandito, walang magpapapicture sa'yo at hindi ka nila abalahin.
Let's go swim!
May na ako, lamig pa eh. Ha? Ikaw na muna.
Chito
Na-enjoy,
naman
babe.
pala. Charis.
Bye.
Ay. Ewan ko sa'yo, Yasser. Ay, hello. Pak.
And I was like,
Hindi mo kaya yan. Ay, ito yung kasama niya si David Licao ko. Ay, di mo kaya. Eman. Gwapo ni Eman, no? Grabe, lalaki siya. Charis. Kay Jillian lang yan eh. Dapat kay Jillian lang yan. Charis. Oh, di ba? What's next? Ay, Diyos ko. Ay, ito. Ay, hello, bago lang to. Saan ba makakapa... Ayan, ang gigil na si Jillian sa abs ni Charis. Ay, Halo yung kinanta niya. Taas ito, ah. Grabe talaga yung vocals niya nga. Ay, beautiful. Hindi talaga tayo titigil dito, no? Sa totoo lang. Hindi talaga ito mapipigilan. Sa totoo lang. Gusto ko talaga to. Weh. Ay, sana all.
Baka maging ninang ako nito.
Ay, hello. In the galaxy. Yeah. Pwede siya na. Iba talaga din sila. Nakakamiss sila. Kailan sila magsama? Ayan, niyaya na, oh. Nagkayayaan na nga. Charis! Nagkayayaan na sila. Charis! What is nagkakayayaan for today's video? Diba? Yeah. Ay, Smic Jill. Dati, ay, ayan na. Diyos ko. Talaga ba? Nagtitikwando pala siya? Ba't hindi sila, ay, ba't hindi kayo mag-sparring? Ni Eman, di ba? Di ba pwede naman ni? Ay, grabe yung balakang, di ba? Atake. Nagkayayaan na nga sila. Charis! At nagkayayaan na nga sila for today's video. Di ba?
Huwag mo naman akong ikumpara sa iba. I am not them. I am yours. Boom, kilig. Kinig.
Anyways, there you go guys. That is our for today's video. Our Jillman compilation. This is Kija Vlog. So see you on my next vlog. Bye!